Hey WooCommerce lovers! Looking to boost your WooCommerce sales and delight your customers at checkout? One of the easiest ways is to offer a free gift with every order, and with YayPricing, it's simpler than ever. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you step-by-step how to automatically add a free product to every order. Now let's get started. First step, make sure you have the YayPricing plugin installed and activated. I have a YayPricing Pro version here on our website. Then, move forward to Ecommerce, YayPricing. On the product pricing dashboard, I'm going to create a new rule with a lot of pre-built dynamic rule templates. Click on Buy X Get Y rule to modify. Now, I'm going to leave the name for this rule, something like free gift with every order. Scroll down to set up more. In the By Product section, I'm going to set this rule to be applied with all products. The quantity should be 1. In the Get Product section, select Free Type Discount. Then I'm going to assign the free product in this box. I wanted this rule to work when the free gift is added to every order, no matter how small. So I'm going to save this rule. And that's it. Now every customer who places an order will automatically receive your free gift in their cart. Now let's check it. Move to the front end of our business store, try to make a purchase, a random product. And yeah, come over here to see the cart page. You'll see the free product be applied here, so that your customers can get the free product with every single order in your WooCommerce store. Want to get creative? You can set different conditions, like free gifts for orders over $50, or different products for specific categories. YayPricing makes it all possible with just a few clicks. Let's try to create a rule with condition features. Also, in the product pricing dashboard of YayPricing, open the Buy X Get Y rule. You can reuse the rule which has been created, then slide to the Conditions tab. I'm going to add a condition like cart quantity is greater than $100. Yeah. When satisfied, click to save the rule and test it out. Wait, let's make this promotion be more catchy and FOMO. I'll set a time limit for the rule and create a countdown timer banner. With Brandy blocks, we can add a countdown timer on the home page. As you can see our stunning page here, we can let the customers know about your giveaway promotion for the bill of more than $100 and boost them to make a purchase. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out Ecommerce for more powerful WooCommerce tools. Happy selling!